Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 math. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter operations with rational numbers, and the lessons we're going to cover today are multiply and divide rational numbers, multiply and divide rational numbers word problems, applied multiplication and division rules, apply addition, subtraction, multiplication and division rules. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade 8 math operations with rational numbers. Let's just start with the lesson. Multiply and divide rational numbers. Negative 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. So when we are dividing a positive and a negative number, like either of the number is negative, the answer is negative. Dividing by a fraction is same as multiplying by its reciprocal. The same like we do with the fractions, right? We have to do the reciprocal and then we have to multiply. Replace the multiplication reciprocal, the term after, and we have to multiply them like we do with the fractions. So that is negative 1 over 2 by 2 by 3. So replace the division sign with multiplication and call the term that is 3 by 2. So 3 times 1 is 3, that is negative 3, and 2 times 2 makes 4. So that is negative by 4. Let's just start with the next questions. Negative 1 by 2 divided by 5 over 7. So replace the division sign with multiplication and return, that is negative 7 over. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is negative 7 over 10. That is the correct option. So negative 2 by 5 and replace the division sign with multiplication and reciprocal 2 times 1. That, that is negative 4 by 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Three over 4 times 5 over 6. The correct option. That is 5 by 8. Negative 1 by 6 times 3, negative 3 over 4. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 6. That is, both the numbers are negative. That is 1 by 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. One over 8 divided by 1 over 4. Is 1 over 8 divided multiply by 2 is the correct option. 1 over 2 it is. One over 3 divided by 1. 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 3. So the correct option is 3 by 5. That is 7 over 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 7 over 10. Okay, you complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Multiply and divide rational numbers, word problems you can do on your own. Next one is apply multiplication and division rules. The number line shows an unknown number p. Is negative 3p positive or negative? So p is already a negative number, right? You can see the number line. P is on the left hand side of, here we have 0. P is on the left hand side of the 0, so P is already a negative. Now we have negative 3 times P. For example, P already a negative. P is, let's just start with the, okay, the number line shows two unknown numbers and W. Is VW positive or negative? So the product of two positive numbers. The number line shows an unknown number T. Is 2T positive or negative? So T is on the left hand side of 0. That means T is a negative number, right? So 2 times T, 2 is positive, T is negative. The answer is negative. Option number 1 option. Is negative 3p positive or negative? So negative 3p is positive. Why? Because p is already on the negative side. P is negative. So when you multiply two negative numbers, the answer is always positive. The number line shows two numbers QR. Is QR positive or negative? So look at the number line. Both Q and R are the right hand side of the zero. That means they both are the positive numbers. So the product of positive numbers are always is QR positive or negative? So yes, positive it is. Q and R are positive. For S is positive because S is already on the positive side. So the product of two positive numbers is also positive. The number line shows an unknown number C and D. Is CD positive or negative? Both C and D are negative, so the answer is also positive. Option number two is the correct option. The number line shows an unknown number A. Is negative 5A positive or negative? So negative 5A is positive. Okay, you can. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiply and division rules. The number line shows an unknown number P. Is P plus 1 positive or negative? P is on the right hand side of the 0. So P is positive, right? So P and 1 both are positive. So the sum of the two positive numbers is always positive. The answer is positive. Let's just start with the test questions. The number line shows an unknown number D. Is 2D positive or negative? So D is on the right hand side of 0. D is positive. D is also positive. Option number 2 is the correct. So y plus 1, y is already positive. So the sum of two. That is positive. Option number 2 is the correct. Q is already on the negative side, right? So 5 times Q, product of positive and a negative number is negative. Option number 1 is the option. The number line shows an unknown number C. Is C plus 1 positive or negative? The number line shows an unknown number C. Is C plus 1 positive? C is already on the positive. Option number 2 is the correct option. The number line shows an unknown number V. Is V plus 1 positive or negative? So positive it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. The number line shows an unknown number b. Is b plus 1 positive or negative? The correct option is positive. Option number 2 correct option. Okay, just want the next lesson is evaluate expressions involving. Okay, 8 whole 3 by 4 minus 3 by 5. So let's just evaluate, right? So basically we are given more, we are given more than one operation. We need to learn the order of operations. First we have to multiply and divide, then we have to add and subtract. Here we do not have any multiplication and division. We just go from right to left, right? So 8 whole 3 by 4 minus 5 with 8. 8 minus 3 by 5. We can write 8 as 7 whole 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5. So that is 7 whole 2 over 5. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. 1 whole 2 by 3 times 6 whole 3 by 4 plus 84. So we have to multiply them first, right? So 5 over 3 times 6 times 4 is 24, 25, 26, 27 over 4. 3 times 9 is 27. 9 times 5 is 45 over 4 plus. So we can write it 4 as 45 over 4 and 83 whole 3 4 over 4, right? Is no, we have 83 whole number and 49 over 4. Five over 3 times. Okay, let's just do 4 times 4 is 16, 33. That is 381 over 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 381 over 4. 1.65 plus negative 4.58 times 7. So multiplication has I have to multiply first, right? And multiplying a positive and a negative number means answer is always negative. So 4 times 5.8 times 7 is negative 32.06. Adding a negative number is same as subtracting. So 32.06, 1.65 minus 32.06, that is negative 30.41. Option number 30.41. It is option 2 is the correct option. Got it? Basically, what we have to do, multiplication has higher priority over addition, so you need to multiply first, right? So you're multiplying a positive and a negative number, answer is negative. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is negative 30.41. 43.06 times 0.05 divided by 2. So going from left to right, we have to multiply first, right? 43.36 divided by 0.05, that is 800. Oh, we have to multiply, sorry. 43.36 times 0.05, that is 2.168. 2.168 divided by 0.2, that is 10.84. Option number 1 is the 84. 8 whole 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 5. So 3, 4, we're left with just 8. 8 minus 3 by 5 is 40. 37 over 1 is the correct option. It would be. So the correct option is 37 over 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we will math chapter we're working on is operations with rational numbers. The lessons we have covered and with rational numbers. So if you have any question, you can please write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusion if you have any. So any question in the chat box, I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.